Welcome to the demonstration video of experiment 2. In this experiment, we interfacing the LEDs buzzer and one relay circuit with a 8051 microcontroller. Here is a simulation diagram for 8051 microcontroller using Proteus. This is a 89c51 microcontroller, and here is a circuit for reset microcontroller. One crystal is there, and this circuit for relay using microcontroller, bulb and sinusoidal wave. Here is our LEDs are interfacing with microcontrollers port 3, and buzzer circuit is also there. In buzzer circuit is interface with a port P2.0, and subrouting circuits are interfacing with a P0.0 and P0.1. Now moving towards our program and subrouting. Here is our program for LED switches and relay. So we go towards the simulation. Here our circuit diagram. I load that program in our microcontroller. So first of all, I translate it. So it's showing 0 errors and 0 warning, and I build it. It's showing, and I create hex files. So that for I right click on target, options and output, creating hex file, and OK. So again I translate it, and here we can see the hex file is created. So I go to the simulation page in Proteus, open microcontroller, and I choose a program file which is in my folder, experiment number 2, objects and LED buzzer. This is a hex file. Okay, I open it. So in first subroutine conditions, two switches are closed. In first subroutine condition, two switches are closed. Then I run it. So we can see that our LED is flashing within a 1 second of delay. Here our LED is flashing. Then moving towards our second subroutine. In second subroutine, we open first switch and close second switch and run it. So our relay is working. Our relay is working, and we see our lamp is glowing. And moving towards our third subroutine, I pause the circuit. Then moving toward the third subroutine, I close first switch and open third switch. Open second switch, sorry, and I will run it. So we can see our LED is flashing from left to right, and our buzzer is continuously ringing. I stop it, and in previous case I cannot explain for displaying our relay condition, our LED's status. So I try it. I close second switch and first switch open for second subroutine. I run it. So our LED is flashing from chasing from right to left in this position. Then I stop it. Then I will show you our third subroutine. First switch is closed and second switch is open. I run it. So our buzzer is sounding, and our LED is displaying from left to right. So I stop it, and for fourth subroutine, both the switches are closed, and I will run the program. So we can see our output, our LED is blinking with a 1 second of delay. Then I stop it, and both the switches are open. For next subroutine, I'll so in this case our buzzer is sounding, and our relay is also connected to our lamp, and our LED is chasing